Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about on how to add and customize header in Wix. So first is you have to open your website. So I am on my website and currently I am using this free template. And as you can see at the top, so this is our header. So we are just going to customize this one. So if you're using a template, a free template, or you want to add your own header, so you can just do that. Just go to the add element section. So let me just remove this unnecessary things for this section. Okay, so I think I don't need this one. So if you don't want to include some of the elements of the free template that you are going to use, you just have to simply click on that element and then you just have to click on delete or the bin icon. Okay, so let me just close this one. Okay, and then next is we are going to customize the header. So we are going to start from changing the color of the background. So to do that, you just have to simply click on the header first and then click on the quick edit. Okay, so right here we have the strip background. So just click on the change option and then right here you can use color, image, or video. So for this one, I'm just going to change the color. So if you would like to add your own colors, you just have to simply click on the add option. But for this one, I'm just going to use this first color. And then for the second strip background, I am going to add another color and then you just have to custom the color. Okay, so you just have to drag this cursor and then just have to select your color and then click on apply. Okay, so next is we are going to proceed to the column background. So just have to do the same, just go to the color, or you can also add your image or video. But for this one, I'm just also going to add color. So I'm just going to use white, and then for the last one, so just make sure to use the relevant colors. So I want to make this header static as possible. Okay, so next thing that we should do is if you would like to resize your header, so you just have to click on this arrow and then just have to drag it down or up. Now let's proceed to the header scroll settings. So you just have to click on the header again and then click on this gear icon or the settings. Then here, when visitor scrolls, so the header will scrolls with site or freezes, disappears, or fades out. So for professional header, if you'd like to make your header looks professional, you just have to choose the freezes. Okay, so when someone scrolls to your website, your header freezes so it will not disappear or fades out. Next are the columns or the column. So you just have to click on this column over here and then you can manage the columns. So if you would like to add, then click on the add column. Okay, so for example, we have two columns for this header, and then if you would like to make it three, then just have to click on the add option. And then if you would like to remove the columns, you just have to simply click on the columns and then click on the delete option. Okay, so we are done with the columns. Now let us add the relevant elements. Okay, so to add elements, what we are going to do here is to simply click on this element section or option at the left side of our screen and then upload your image. So I'll be using my logo for this one. Okay, I'm going to use the logo or the logo that I have customized. You just have to click on upload from your computer and then just have to click on open and then add this logo to your page. Okay, and then what you're going to do next is to simply resize your logo. Okay, so you just have to go to the corner of your image and then resize it accordingly. Okay, so I suggest you just have to put it over here. Okay, and the next thing that we should do is to add another element. So to do that, you just have to go back to this plus icon at the left side or the add elements icon and then go to the menu and anchor option. So right here, we have different templates that we can use, but I suggest you use this one. So for the header, we are going to use the simple template. Okay, so this is the template that I am going to use now. If you like to customize your menu bar, just have to click on manage menu. And then right here, we have the side menu. Now, if you would like to change the order of your menu options, you just have to simply click on that icon at the left side and then just have to drag your menu. And then if you would like to remove some of the menu, you just have to simply click on the delete page option. Okay, and then if you'd like to hide some of the menu, so you just have to simply click on that eye icon. Okay, so for example, this one, if you would like to make this your sub page, so you can do that as well. You just have to simply click on the sub page. Now I'm just going to use this three menus. We have the shop to all, and then the contract, and then the home. Okay, and then if you would like to open your advanced settings, so you just have to simply click on that advanced settings option. Now for the menu design settings, you can also customize your design if you want to. Now to add a link to an element, what you are going to do is to simply click on that specific element. So for example, for our logo, I would like to add a link on my logo. So what am I going to do is to simply click on that logo, and then you'd be able to see the linked option. Okay, so let me just close this one. Okay, so this is our menus. Now if you would like to add menus, you just have to click on add menu item. Okay, so let's just leave this one for now. So let's go to our logo. So just click on this linked option. So when you clicked on it, you just have to select which page or how does it open. So if you would like to go to your subscription, more orders, or you can also add a new page for this section. Okay, and then of course you have the option if you would like to open a new window and someone clicked on this one, or a current window only. Okay, so after that, you just have to simply click on that and the link will be added to that specific element. And now if you would like to add a shop button at the header, you just have to go to the button sections, okay, and then select the button template that you want to use. Now you just have to add the link. So which page? So you just have to select which page and then how does it open. So you just have to do the same like the logo one. So those are the basic things that you need to know in order to customize and add a header. Now let us preview this in the mobile view to see if all the elements fits in the mobile view as well. So as you can see, it's not that great. So what you're going to do is to simply click on that specific element and then just have to drag and then rearrange everything. So you have to fix it in the mobile view before we publish this site. Now, if everything is arranged correctly, what we are going to do is to preview this settings. Okay, so we can see how it will going to look in the desktop view as well as in the mobile view. Okay, so to do that, you just have to simply click on this preview option at the top right of your screen beside the publish option. Okay, so when we do that, okay, so let us try to click some of the elements that we have added. So when someone click on these three horizontal lines, they'll be able to see this different menus. Okay, and then when someone click on the shop button, since we added our link here, they'll be redirected to that specific link. Now, when we go to the desktop view, as you can see, this is how it looks like the way we edited it earlier. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.